No, but there's a video of a mom going around saying that schools need to start focusing on the mental health of the parents and families. And you know what? I agree with her. And you might be surprised to hear me say that, so let's talk about it. I think schools should focus on the mental health of not just parents and families, but also students, and obviously, of course, our teachers and our staff. But you know what? I also think that schools should focus on the physical health of our students and their families, and of course, our staff. And like, while we're at it, why don't schools focus on the nutritional needs of our students and their families and our staff? And we can do all of that. There are schools that do that. And do you know what they're called? They're called community schools. And it's this idea that the school becomes the hub of the community and that your students and their families and your staff can get all of their needs met at school, at the central hub of that community, whether it's mental health counselors, social workers, doctors, dentists, eye doctors, food pantries. There are some schools that even have washers and dryers. And obviously, the problem with all of this is that schools just don't have the funding to implement any of that. So, I hope that mom is also advocating for increased funding to our public schools like I do. But no, I've been a big supporter of community schools for years and years. I would love to see more of them happen. If you want me to talk more about what a community school is and who has implemented them and what it takes, let me know.